Welcome back to Better Kansas City. Come see the light, 8 days and nights. Hanukkah is almost here, so let's get ready. Local maker Amy Ravis Furey and her daughter Emma, who's 8 years old, are here to show us some fun and festive DIYs. So we'd be remiss if we didn't talk about your beautiful t-shirts.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Happy almost Hanukkah to our friends and family out there. Yeah, we made these shirts. You know, we've been talking about how when you walk into a big box store, there's just not a lot of options for Hanukkah. And so what better way than to make things exactly like we want them to be? So we have our own shirts.
Those are beautiful.
Thank you.
Not only that, but you've done this really creative thing to a potato.
Yes.
We're gonna have to talk about that because it's amazing.
You want to talk about it?
So she cut a potato into like a shape. Then,
A Jewish star shape.
Yeah.
Or a Star of David.
And that's just a cookie cutter, people. She just cut off the end of it.
And then I kind of
She like
jam it in there.
Yeah.
And then I'm scared because I would hate to cut myself on television, but you cut away the edges and then what you're left with is,
a little star like that.
yeah.
we make candles too.
Oh yeah, we just cut sections like this for candles and then
You put your little
She's
put
the
your
pro.
finger in it to make a little.
you want to do some stamps and show
Oh my
them?
gosh, Miss Emma, so what they just described is exactly how they can use stamps to make their own custom wrapping paper. And we can't hold Emma back. You just saw her working
know.
it during the teas there, and she is just crafting
The potato
away.
is significant because, well, Hanukkah is the festival of lights and it commemorates how the oil miraculously lasted more days, 8 days, longer than people thought it would. And to commemorate that, people deep fry lots of food. And one of the things they deep fry are potatoes.
I was going to say fried potatoes.
Yeah,
that's a
potato
classic.
latkes, potato pancakes. So that's why I thought using the potatoes was a cute idea.
Okay, and Miss Emma, I just dipped this in some paint. Do you have any instructions for me?
So then you just put it any way you want.
Any way you want,
And then
okay.
you press it down like
Just pressing it in.
that.
Okay.
And then you take it off like that.
Take it off.
And then you put your finger in the paint, and so it can be like a little.
Okay, well,
like,
we're going all in right now. I don't know if I'll ever get this
I
paint
know,
off,
look at her
but it's
pretty
perfect.
nails.
Well, we are going to celebrate Hanukkah a whole new
Yeah,
way
and
with wrapping
another,
paper.
I'm so excited. And another way, you know, I always like to talk about reusing and recycling and keeping things green. I mean, we did buy paper for this, but you could so easily use your grocery sacks that are left over, and that's a way to continue its use and make beautiful packaging.
They are so pretty.
Thank you.
Now let's also talk about a giant dreidel
Yes.
because this seems like it was so much fun to craft.
It was. Dreidel is a game that we play during Hanukkah. The letters on the dreidel, the Hebrew letters symbolize Nes Gadol Haya Sham, a great miracle happened there, or in Israel, a great miracle happened here.
So like you spin it, and kids
She
play
knows.
it, and you spin it, and then
And what would happen if the dice landed on that side?
you had to put, so like you can use really anything, but whoever has the most stuff in it, so like wins. But if you get this, then you have to put one of your things in the middle.
In the
Right.
middle.
Shin, put one in. You want to spin a regular dreidel and just show them how it works?
Just spin it?
Spin it like that. I got nothing, but
None,
got-
right, so nothing.
Okay.
And then
well,
if you spin it again, right, like whatever it lands on, you get out of the pot.
this one's spinning really well.
yeah.
I've
got a
had
great balance
43
point.
years of practice, so thank you.
And it got
Shin.
put in the middle.
So I have to put one into the pot.
Okay, and that would be the exact same way.
Yeah, so it's
on
just so
your
fun,
dreidel.
like
Yes.
to have big, fun, celebratory decorations.
Well, Amy and Emma, first off, can I get a high five?
Look at her finger.
And yeah, we're gonna have a little paint party over
All
here.
of
But
us.
thank you so much for walking us through those
Thank
DIYs,
you.
and happy Hanukkah, ladies.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.